Yo fam, this might not be a big thing for people, but it is for me. That's my buddy, Diecast Pirate's stock car for my racing here. And those new gunmetal mag wheels are nice to this one. Massage. G-Man will get that running joke. It looks like a sausage. Chevy Chrysler. Well, Dodge Chevy. There you go. That's a little fun. Anyway, yeah. When I get deep laughs, I don't know why, but that's good but bad. Yeah, so anyway. Yeah, I think those suit that so much. Oh, yeah. Man, I can move through. They're all fast. Let's take a little rip. I can. This for the customizers. Down into the. Let's see if I have to follow. Wait a minute. Whoa. Obstacle pathway. Made Iron Customs against. Oh, no false starts here. Come on. Against the Diecast Pirate. And the Sergeantator. Right on. Lippy piece of. Oh, yeah. Well, it was an even race, man. It was like a race right down the line, but. Man, cool.